Hi everybody, this is Jennifer Norwood, and again we will be talking about my company that I've chosen for my thesis, Echo Global Logistics, and we'll be focusing on technical standards and first movers. So Echo Global Logistics is a provider of technology-enabled transportation and supply chain management services. It's a web-based technology platform, compiles and analyzes data from its network of over 24,000 transportation providers to serve its clients' shipping and freight management needs. Its technology platform is composed of web-based software applications and a database. It enables it to identify excess transportation capacity, obtain competitive rates, and execute thousands of shipments every day. It focuses on arranging transportation across the truckload and less than truckload. And it also offers small parcel, intermodal, domestic air, expedited, and international transportation services. Its logistics services include rate negotiation, shipment execution and tracking, carrier management, routing compliance, freight bill audit and payment, and performance management reporting, including executive dashboard tools. One of the things I want to, focus on here is it's a proprietary web-based technology platform with their proprietary algorithms and software. However, Echo does not have any patents or any registered trademarks. So they've not really done anything to protect this. Here you can see this is the Echo Optimizer platform. So everything is kind of built off the Optimizer and then feeds in using their Flex transportation management system. The idea behind this is that everything comes together in one location for the clients, the carriers, as well as the Echo employees. All that data is integrated into one location. They are Microsoft applications versus Google Chrome, so I put them side by side. If you search the Optimizer on the Microsoft Internet Explorer, you'll get a normal screen. If you search it on Chrome, you kind of get a message saying that it's an incompatible browser, the Chrome. So that's something that Echo should really look at fixing. But really their proprietary software is flexible and highly scalable and adaptable to the needs. It's efficient. It has an efficient integration in the shipment and process, and it operates from portals on the same platform for better data capture, seamless communication, and cohesive reporting. And it's more transparent. You can provide dashboards for the clients to see everything in one place. So here is the Flex TMS, and you can kind of see some of the different screens that you can get with the Flex TMS. Since they've been in supply chains management specialists since 2005, they created the Flex Transportation Management System in 2010. And it's to specifically address the needs of larger shippers seeking a cost-effective transportation management system. So it was their existing proprietary Evolve Transportation Management has been modified and this platform to offer more of a cloud-based transportation management system. And it allows shippers to feed their system, the shipment data into the Flex TMS, and it also automates manual processes and provide complete visibility and control over the whole transportation network. So it's a software as a service system and integrates easily with any of the client and carrier base, and it allows shippers to retain their existing carrier relationships. So the system automates and the time-consuming process related to routing and tendering, and it's loaded with features designed to make life easier, such as load boards, single portal for load tracking information, personalized rates, carrier performance reporting, and KPI dashboards. And it can utilize the system's core functionality or easily customized by adding any combination of Echo's kind of a la carte menu of services. It's customizable, including features for assigning a dedicated execution team, freight bill audit and pay, document collecting, customer reporting, and then really just whatever your needs are. It kind of helps companies commit to their core business function and leaving kind of the more complex details to the system itself. So it's really a great value-added service. And going further, these again are the additional web-based portals that you can access this. If you look at the Fastlane, that's really more for the carriers to utilize, and then the EchoTrack has your Flex TMS, the RFP, which is for accounting. Additionally, the Rate IQ 2.0 is a kind of a real-time optimal LTL carrier pricing and transit times, and then the Echo ID, which is that sort of dashboard. So it kind of combines that all together in one location. So the technology standards that Echo uses, they mostly are using the Microsoft Internet applications, the .NET, and the SQL Server. Additionally, they'll use public domain, which is established by the World Wide Web Consortium, HTML, CSS, HTTP, TCP, and these are all the languages and coding for utilizing the internet, and they're all free to use, open to any company that wants to use it. Additionally, other applications they're using is the API is that application programming interface, and it's kind of how technology companies integrate with each other. It's a set of kind of routines, protocols, and tools for kind of building your software so that they can kind of talk to each other. There's not really an industry standard set, although there's some places that there are some standard APIs, but nothing has been actually set in stone, so everybody's kind of working to use something similar, but there's no set standard. When I looked up under the World Wide Web Consortium, they had a few options of APIs, but not everybody is using the same thing. And then that Anaplane's cloud-based platform, also Echo has kind of started to use that to strengthen its financial operations and analysis capabilities. So these are kind of some of the technology standards that Echo is using currently. So when I look at Echo, it really is a first mover in its proprietary technology and algorithms that created the TMS platform early. In 2010, most TMS systems were manual and just coming into more of an automation. Echo saw a need to merge the systems by creating software utilizing the Optimizer platform, where all the web portals come together into one single location and the data merges. Additionally, they sought partnerships with Project 44 to deliver end-to-end visibility on the shipments on a cloud-based platform. And then they sought a partnership with XK0 to provide ERP accounting solutions. And then again, the Anaplane cloud-based platform connected planning, budgeting, revenue forecasting, financial reporting, headcount planning, and expense planning. And they have been kind of smaller and more regional logistics provider in the Midwest, but have grown substantially with their M&A strategy. Imitations from competitors have been easy to achieve because although Echo has the software as a service, as proprietary, the technology advancements today are at such a rapid pace that competitors are easy to catch up with this type of technology. So although they are a first mover, they haven't really protected their technology very well. So here, one of the things that was their benefit from 2008, their growth has been significant, over $1.9 billion by 2017 in net revenue, and then their gross profit has increased to just under $400 million in 2017. So they've really gained a lot of advantages from their kind of proprietary software. So the advantages, the opportunity to explore network effects and positive feedback loops and locking in consumers into its technology. This is what came about when they took their evolved transportation management solutions and created the Flex TMS, which was more of an automated process. That was really to based on the feedback loops from their customers, what they wanted, kind of to lock them in and get them to really become brand loyal. I think Echo is still establishing its brand loyalty, and that really comes down to the fact that it started so small, but its growth has been really large. So as it continues to grow and move kind of up towards the competitors, I think that they're going to be a provider in the future that a lot of people will look to. They have increased their sales volume at a very fast rate, and definitely ahead of some of their rivals, but not some that have been in the industry for a long term. Like C.H. Robinson's been there for a very long term. Echo is a very young company in comparison. So, and they are kind of learning a lot. So I don't know if they've actually capitalized completely on that advantage, although they're getting better. By what they provide to their customers and by really looking at what they can provide, I think later they will be able to create some switching costs for their customers that may want to come over to Echo, but I'm not really sure that they're seeing that just yet. And then they are accumulating valuable knowledge related to the customer's needs and the distribution channels through their technology. So that is an advantage. Kind of disadvantages, they did bear some significant pioneering costs that other entrants haven't had to do. With their Evolved Transportation Management, they had to rechange that to really suit the customer needs. Sure, they've made mistakes because there was definitely uncertainty in the new market. Additionally, they had such a large amount of growth through their merger and acquisitions that they did make mistakes. And of course, they did build some of the wrong resources and capabilities that didn't focus on, that didn't sort of work out. They had an app that they rolled out that actually didn't really work. So they've kind of scrapped that, and right now they haven't moved back into that sort of app on the mobile device yet. They're still on a web-based platform. So, and of course they did invest in some inferior or obsolete technology, like electronic data interface, interchange is still viable technology, but it's being quickly phased out, and they did invest in that technology. So they're moving away from a first mover position to kind of more of an early majority, definitely with Project 44 and its end-to-end visibility with automation. Additionally, as they continue to grow their partnerships, I think that it's a smart move to invest in technology solutions with partners as a software as service, because they're not experts in some of these things. Additionally, they can start really focusing on their culture and focusing on their customers and their employees, and not stay so heavily focused on their technology. Some shortcomings of their technology is that they didn't patent or trademark their technology, and so therefore it's easy for people to copy it or create something similar to it. They have a lot of reliance on multiple partners in the technology realm, and so this could work for them or against them. It's still kind of unknown. And they have dedicated a lot of cost to technology solutions, and some have worked, some haven't. They're still continuously investing in these costs. So I hope that you enjoyed my presentation, and these are my references that I looked at today. And I look forward to learning more about your companies and getting your questions and your feedbacks. Thanks so much.